Have you ever felt like if you disappeared tomorrow, someone else would simply take your place? Like you're just another name on a list, another face in the crowd. If that thought has ever crossed your mind, you're not alone. Today, we're talking about the silent struggle of feeling replaceable, and why that feeling is more common and less true than you think. Let's be honest, at some point in life, we've all felt like a backup plan. In school, at work, in friendships, or even in relationships. You miss a day at the office and everything runs smoothly. You skip a group chat and no one notices. You stop texting first, and suddenly the conversation stops altogether. It makes you wonder, do I really matter, or am I just easily replaceable? Think about it. Companies replace employees. Social media replaces trends. Even your favorite TV shows replace characters without warning. One day they're the hero, the next day they're forgot. And somehow we start believing the same could happen to us. But here's the funny part. Life isn't a casting call. There's no audition for being you. Imagine this, your best friend loses their phone. They buy a new one. Same brand, same model, same features. But does it hold the same memories, the same late-night conversations, the same embarrassing selfies? Of course not, because it's not about the phone, it's about the experiences tied to it. And the same goes for you. You may feel replaceable at work, but your ideas, your perspective, and even your silly jokes in meetings are uniquely yours. You might feel replaceable in friendships, but no one else shares your exact memories, laughter, or inside jokes. And in relationships, you are not just another option, you are an entire experience. Let's add a little humor here. If people were truly replaceable, your mom wouldn't still call you 10 times a day just to ask, "Kana Kaya?" She could simply replace you with a robot. But she doesn't, because no robot can argue like you do. The truth is, feeling replaceable often comes from comparison. We scroll through social media, seeing perfect lives, perfect faces, perfect achievements. It's like everyone is winning and we're just participating. But what we don't see are their insecurities, their doubts, and their own fears of being replaced. Here's something powerful to remember. Replaceable things are mass-produced. Human beings are not. You are shaped by your experiences, your struggles, your dreams, and your quirks. No one laughs exactly like you. No one thinks exactly like you. No one sees the world through your eyes, and that makes you irreplaceable. Yes, someone else can do your job. Someone else can fill a role, but no one can replicate your essence. Being replaced in a position doesn't mean being replaced as a person. So the next time you feel invisible or unimportant, remind yourself, you're not a spare part, you're a one-of-a-kind creation. And if someone makes you feel replaceable, maybe they're not worth your presence in the first place. If this message resonated with you, remember to value yourself a little more today. You are not replaceable. You are unforgettable in ways you may not even realize yet. Share this video with someone who needs to hear it, like, comment, and subscribe for more meaningful and relatable content. Until next time, take care of yourself, because there's only one you in this world. Yellow Heart.